साले तू जानता नहीं है मेरा बाप कौन है।
It's complicated.
Myself Nupur Murthy. I'm a reporter at Pak.
क्यों बे? हाथ लगाएगा?
It's complicated.
There is a sofa inside. बैठने के लिए।
अच्छा, तो सोफा में और क्या करते हैं?
डांस भी कर सकते हैं। But for that, you need some of this.
You didn't even ask me what I want to do.
My house, my rules. Come.
Raka, you okay in there?
Yeah, Bobby. I'm just stepping out in a minute.
क्या चल रहा है बॉस?
यार, so many things. अच्छा सुन. The other day you and Jay were fighting about something, right? The first day we met, you remember?
हमने सुबह सुबह एक ट्रिप पे जाना था. उसने पहले हमेशा की तरह वो नाटक किया पैसों का. So I paid for everything. फिर एंड मोमेंट पे उसने रिफ्यूज कर दिया यार.
What is his problem?
एक पार्टनर के साथ काम करने के यही डाउन साइड्स हैं.
पता है यार.
तुम्हें कैसे पता? तुम्हारे पार्टनर तो बहुत ही स्वीट और एडजस्टिंग है.
हाँ, मेरे करंट रूममेट्स. लेकिन हॉस्टल में भी एक दो रूममेट्स थे यार.
मतलब बॉयफ्रेंड?
हाँ. फ्रेंड जो बॉयफ्रेंड फिर रूममेट समथिंग लाइक दैट.
तो फिर स्टेटस क्या है अभी?
It's complicated. I think I fell out of love. You know, I mean, I loved him, but it was not like what I used to love him before. और फिर we decided to take a break. Break कब से breakup बन गया पता ही नहीं चला.
हे भगवान, मुझे राका और जय जैसे दोस्त क्यों दिए हैं? क्या दुश्मनी है?
Sorry boss. लाइफ में कभी नॉर्मल नहीं मिलता.
अच्छा राका, एक बात पूछूं? बुरा तो नहीं मानोगी? तुम्हें कैसे लड़के पसंद?
I like you.
ये क्या मतलब हुआ? तुम मुझे फ्रेंड जोन तो नहीं करने वाली ना?
I like the attention. Male या female.
Bisexual.
Shut up, huh, Bobby. By curious बोल सकते हो. Okay.
Like curious.
Wait a minute. Are you fucking judging me for that?
अरे नहीं यार. क्या होगा यार इस जनरेशन का? की पड़ेगा दुनियादार.
Oh.
This is for me. Nice. कहाँ से ली?
अरे मिंत्रा से.
सही है यार. I like it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now I can feel your moves.
Shut up, Bobby. You're so fucking gross.
तूने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया ना इतना अच्छा सा. No, I will return a favor. Tomorrow I'll give you a Savan Pro account का कोड. उससे you can listen to the latest Bollywood songs, Hollywood songs और सभी अच्छे गाने हैं. ये बेहुदा depressing songs नहीं सुनना हम तुम्हारा. ठीक है? And this is my gift for you.
DVDs नुपुर, कौन सा जमाने का आदमी है ये? अभी लोग हार्ड डिस्क और ब्लू रे यूज करते हैं. कौन सा डायनासोर को पकड़ लिया तुम नुपुर?
But now, Mama. Actually, I'm not much of a drinker. I'm sure you know that.
Then don't drink. मैं तुम्हें force नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I don't want anything to happen that you don't want to happen.
And what's going to happen?
You don't know? So why'd you come up here?
मैं तो बस ये जानना चाहती थी कि
How I feel about you?
No. I mean, you don't understand. Actually, yes. I just wanted to know what you feel about me.
But I've told you this before. I like the way you move. A little awkward, a little cautious, but completely in control. That's what I mean.
And you could say the same thing about any girl, right?
But I'm not saying it to any girls, I'm saying it to you.
That's hard to believe.
I don't say it to any girl. I've said it to many girls.
See? Same difference. So that's it. That's what you like.
Okay. What do you like about me?
I don't know.
Come on, you must like something about guys. Your boyfriend.
I've told you already, I don't have a boyfriend. I've never had a boyfriend.
What about sex?
Huh?
Oh, sorry, I shouldn't assume. You like the wine?
Yeah.
You know 2 drinks a limit, right? Driving के लिए.
अच्छा, ड्राइविंग के लिए मुझे लगा
Oh, sex के लिए भी,
पर हम ड्राइविंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, right? Which means you want to get rid of me.
no. I don't want to do anything that you don't want to do.
And what if I don't know what I want?
Relax.
So don't you love someone?
From time to time. But it's a phase. I like one person and then it just fades away.
So no serious relationship.
And I want to be honest with you. You see, I think love is a moment of truth. And the problem is, I'm just too truthful.
But you know what? I feel you're the most lonely person.
Wow, that's some psychoanalysis.
I think I should go.
Okay. I'm not stopping you.
Okay. Thanks for the drink.
Nupur.
चलो, let's take it from the top again. Ready? Let's go. चलो.
तेरी नींदों में मैं रहूं, तेरी नींदों में, तेरी नींदों में क्या कहूं, नींदों में अकेली हूँ, कैसे कहूँ मैं तुझे, तू तो सो रहा, समझाऊं मैं कैसे, क्या मुझे हो रहा, जाग जाऊं ना, थाम लो जरा रहूं. Hey baby.
Oh, good guys. Let's take 5.
We had a good session, yeah?
Yeah.
That was good, man.
Yeah. I thought too. Chalo, I'll take a smoke break.
चल, okay. अबे कौन है? जय श्री कृष्ण संग्राम जी. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. कैसे हैं आप? हाँ, मैं ठीक हूँ. हाँ, बताइए बिल्कुल. आप मुझे टाइमिंग बता दीजिए, मैं जय को लेकर आ जाऊंगा. जी जी जी. फ्राइडे का एक मिनट चेक करना पड़ेगा. एक सेकंड सर, एक सेकंड. फ्राइडे, अच्छा आप इतना ही कह रहे हैं तो ठीक है सर, फ्राइडे डन. मैं फ्राइडे का पक्का करता हूँ.
So irresponsible, na?
Where did she go last night?
I don't know.
See, no message, nothing.
What the hell, Nupur? Where were you?
Nupur, just one message. बता के जाना चाहिए था. कहाँ गई थी तुम?
Hello, madam. क्या चल रहा है?
Any guesses, guys?
Guesses?
Oh my God! Did you go out with Arjun?
Out माने?
Out mane flight. Actually, I mean, technically we were in, as in inside the bedroom.
Meaning sex and all, हाँ? बहुत पहुंची हुई चीज निकली यार तुम तो. बॉस के साथ.
थोड़ा awkward था, guys. But हो गया.
तूने खो दिया. The cherry has been popped.
You are a virgin. Are you serious?
I was a virgin, not anymore.
कैसा लग रहा है?
Stop it.
Dude, are you mad?
Raka, so this is a happy moment and we obviously don't want your lecture, so please don't say anything.
But I...
Okay, guys. Stop it. And tell me what you guys are up to.
अपनी मैडम ने भी एक कांड कर दिया. शिविर के साथ जो अपना सीन बना लिया इसने.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, मतलब तुम बॉस के साथ जाओ वो सब ठीक है, और अगर मैं शिविर के साथ जाऊं तो you have a problem.
See, I didn't mean that. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि अगर तेरा सीन था शिविर के साथ तो तू मुझे पहले बता देती. मैं अपने आप को अर्जुन से दूर रखती हूँ.
क्यों?
Doesn't look good ना, एक ही ऑफिस में तू शिविर के साथ, मैं अर्जुन के साथ.
अबे छोड़ यार, ऐसे बातें कर रही है जैसे ज्वाइनिंग के टाइम पे तूने कुछ एनडीए साइन किया था कि अगर तुम्हारी दोस्त किसी के साथ रोमांटिकली इन्वॉल्व है तो तुम नहीं हो सकती.
बात सही है तेरा, बट तुम लोग नहीं समझ रहे हो जो मैं बोल रही हूँ. थिंग इज ओके, चक.
तेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है दोस्त? सब कुछ ठीक चलने के बाद भी तू इतना सेफ क्यों चलती है?
सेफ कोई आइडिया नहीं है यार. Have you seen my?
Are you looking for this?
Yeah. Keep it with you.
You sure?
Yeah. I think so.
But I must say, I'm not very good at keeping mementos.
Acha. In that case, I should give you some.
Oh, mean so you're not wearing?
कमाल है भाई तू.
अच्छा ठीक है. ओके, टेल मी, तुम लोग जा कहाँ रहे हो?
ये मैडम इतना स्मार्ट बनती रहती है. आस्का, इन्होंने अपना फुट अपने माउथ में कैसे डाल दी?
It's Jennifer. Raka, please answer my phone and put on speaker now.
Hello, Samira.
Hey Jennifer, listen.
Hey, there is something I need to tell you. It's kind of a private affair, actually.
No. I want to tell you something first. Please listen to me.
Samira, you don't understand. Let me just
No. Let me say first, then you can continue. So see, I was at Indira's place and I kind of hooked up with Shivir.
Okay.
And so Indira caught me at her house, and it was like kind of awkward. She didn't say anything, but of course she understood, and she asked me where Nupur is. So I said Nupur is at home, but in reality I think that Nupur is with Arjun. I don't know what to do, yaar. Do you guys have some protocol or something? Has this ever happened to you? What should I do? Please tell me, yaar. I don't know what to do.
Samira, Indira.
Hi, Indira.
Jennifer was calling to invite you for a brunch at my house tomorrow, that is Sunday. We do this every now and then, especially when we have new recruits. This invitation, of course, extends to Raka and Nupur as well, if she can make it on time. And since you three are new to the industry, I was hoping we could have a little informal chat there. I'll see you all tomorrow. And Jennifer will give you the dress code and the address, which I believe you already have.
Guys, Indira knows that I'm back. And if I don't go, I would look guilty.
क्यों ऐसा होता है कि हमेशा एक खड़ूस बॉस आपकी जिंदगी बर्बाद करने के पीछे तुली हुई होती है? Now I remember, guys. I didn't get good vibes from her when I went to her house.
Guys, chill, yeah. I think Indira has like a lot of dignity. And if you guys were in her place, what the hell would you guys do, yeah?
I will not go around and ask where Arjun is for sure.
I think she knows everything. She wants us to know that she knows and make us scared by that. I'm very sure.
Maybe. Like, बेटे का मामला फिर भी understandable है. But partner का धोखा?
What partner का धोखा? It's ulta here, okay? I don't think she'll care for what Arjun does. You know, बेटे के लिए I think she's very much worried.
अब इस बीच में तुम दोनों डिसाइड करना कि कौन सबसे बेस्ट है और किसका हालत सबसे खराब है. Because that person is gonna definitely get butt kicked by me. क्योंकि मुझे ये पार्टी में जाना है बस.
क्यों?
क्यों? Dude, Myra is gonna be there. And I haven't met Myra since a very long time.
Myra? Now where did she come from in this scheme of things?
अबे यार राका, हमारी जिंदगी की लगी पड़ी है यार. And all you care about is Myra.
Why? What is wrong if I care about Myra?
No, I thought, you'll care more about Bobby, no? Since you've been spending so much time with him.
Oh, wait. I think Nupur, तुम बात की गहराई को नहीं समझ रही हो. राका जी, क्या जो मैं समझ रही हूँ वो सही है? You have moved on from your ex and now leading towards why?
What? Why?
Guys, forget about all this. I mean, Samira, if you're done with the algebra, why don't you just go and pad up your bra? And Nupur, if you're done from your La La Land, then can we just go and get ready for the freaking party?
But what am I going to wear?
दिखा, कौन दिखा?
नहीं.
Wait.
What to do, yaar?
See this.
What?
ये है हमारी नुपुर मैडम का नया अवतार.
Wow, Nupur, this is something you definitely have to wear for Arjun.
Nice?
Yeah, very nice.
So hot, man.
Yeah, not gorgeous, gorgeous.
You are looking really nice, and with a little help from your friends, you look like $1,000,000.
But मैं पार्लर वाली से इसकी शेविंग करने
It's the
से.
best option for you. Use it regularly, and you won't feel your hair to be thick.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's a girl's best friend.
सुनना समीरा. Not looking cheap ना?
Oh, you look hot. Such a big deal you have made for this party, man. Myra भी नहीं है यहाँ पे.
क्यों नहीं यार? Good food and good drinks. और अपनी बेकार जिंदगी से ब्रेक किसी नहीं चाहिए. वैसे if message her, She'll be here with Kabir anytime soon.
तेरी जिंदगी बेकार होगी मैडम, not mine.
What's up? Hello. Did you guys try the prawns? They're damn good.
I don't eat prawns.
Okay. Raka, so you're from Calcutta, right?
Yeah, proper Baligunj circular.
अरे आमियो, Don Bosco पासे? हाँ.
Hey, Shisho, please stop this Bengali bhaichara, okay? Tell me if you have seen Arjun.
It's a fun day. Why do you want to hang out with your bosses?
Stuck with some kind of business?
Business? What kind of business? He's all business partners over here.
Guess who? Hi, Hottie.
Hi, gorgeous. What's up?
Come have a drink with me.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
What about Shivir?
Shivit doesn't have any interest in all this kind of parties. He always keeps himself away from wherever Indira is.
Smart boy.
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
I'm not looking cheap now.
No, you're looking hot. You should call us also, no?
Yeah. Maybe because we are still new.
All the more reasons. I think the point was to introduce us to all of them.
So where's your tag along?
You mean Kabir? He ditched at the last minute. I'm here as his representative.
ओहो, तो आज क्या represent करने का इरादा है, हाँ, मिस मायरा?
फिलहाल तो बस तुम्हारे साथ एक ड्रिंक पीने का इरादा है.
Hey, Myra.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Good, good. Kabir's not in?
No, he's not here.
See you around.
See you.
तुम सुधरोगी नहीं.
तुम सुधरने देती नहीं हो.
Hi. Hi, Samir.
Hi.
By the way, आज ये तुम्हारे चुन्नू मुन्नू इतने उदास क्यों लग रहे हैं?
Women and their issues. Anyway, I need to discuss something with you in due course of time.
Sure. Your place or mine?
Samira. I think he's avoiding me.
This is a professional situation, baby. अब इसमें वो तुमको क्या बोलेगा?
क्या बोलेगा? Hi Samira, hi Raka, hi Nupur. Nice to meet you all. You all met Mr. Mulchandani? No? Oh, chalo. Let me introduce you all. That's what he should say. Instead, he's avoiding me. And by default, he's avoiding all of us.
Correct. सब तेरी गलती है. अब क्या करेगी तू?
Look at the way he's laughing. As if he has conquered something.
People know when they have been conquered.
Maybe we should just go and join the gang of this party type. Besides, Indira is busy with Arjun. Let's go and join the gang.
Why do you want to meet Indira? You must have some point to prove, huh?
I just want to tell her that she's thrown like a really good party. And I want to get prawns.
Hey, बहुत हो गया तेरा prawns का drama, huh? Indira is busy with someone else and it's a perfect opportunity for us to make us liaisons. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm sick of Arjun here. Let's just go.
Yeah.
पर मुझे prawns खाना है यार and Myra's still here.
चल तुझे prawns खिलाती हूँ, हाँ? Let's go.
Raka, Samira, Nupur, just the people I wanted to have a little chat with, remember?
Yes.
Okay, so what I wanted to talk to you about is, there's good news and bad news.
What's the bad news?
So our company finds itself in a little difficult spot right now. So in order to remain solvent, we are forced to make some cutbacks, which means from Monday, you three will be on a notice period for a month. You might have to make some other arrangements.
Or the job arrangements.
Yes, job arrangements.
And what is the good news?
Did they say there's good news? There ain't any.
It's complicated.
primary cast, exclusively styled by Myntra.